Good morning students, 8th standard social test revision. Choose the correct answer. First one, who laid the foundation of Portuguese power in India? Vasco da Gama, Bartolomeu Dias, Alfonso de Albuquerque, Almeida. Answer வந்து C, Alfonso de Albuquerque. Second, which of the following European nation was the foremost attempt to discover a sea route? Answer B, Portugal. In 1453, Constantinople was captured by Dash, the Turks. Sir William Hawkins belonged to Dash. Answer C, England. The first fort constructed by the British in India was answer Fort St. George. Who among the following Europeans were the last to come India as traders? Answer the French. Tranquebar on the Tamil Nadu coast was a trade center of the Dash. Answer D, the Danish. Filling the blanks. National Archives of India is located in New Delhi. Bartholomew Dias, a Portuguese sailor, was patronized by King John II. The printing press in India was set up by Portuguese at Goa in 1556. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir permitted the English to trade in India. The French East India Company was formed by Colbert. Dash, the King of Denmark, issued a charter to create Danish East India Company. Christian IV. Match the following. The Dutch 1602, the British 1600, the Danish 1616, the French 1664. Say true or false. Autobiography is one of the written sources. True. Coins are one of the material sources. True. Anandarangam was a translator served under British. False. The place where historical documents are preserved is called archives. Which of the following is known as sphere of rocks? Answer lithosphere. World Soil Day is observed on 5th December. D 5th December. Fossils are found in answer sedimentary rocks. Ideal soil for growing cotton is black soil. The major components of soil is minerals. Which one of the following is the most widespread, most and productive category of soil? Alluvial soil. Filling the blanks. Scientific study of rocks is called petrology. That soil is highly suitable for millet cultivation. Red soil. The skin of earth is soil. That's the kind of metamorphic rock using which Taj Mahal was built. White marble. Dash is known as the primary rocks. Say true or false. Igneous rocks are called primary rocks. True. Slate is formed from shale. True. Red soil is formed by the process of leaching. Answer false. M sand is used as alternative for natural sand in construction. True. Volcanic mountains are covered with sedimentary rocks. False. Match the following. Granite. Answer plutonic rock. Soil layer. Answer bedrock. Barren island. Answer active volcano. Soil conservation. Answer strip forming. Basalt. Answer metamorphic rock. Limestone. Anthracite. Coal. Answer sedimentary rock. Gneiss. Answer extrusive igneous. The governor of a state, choose the correct answer. The civics lesson 1, choose the correct answer. The governor of a state is appointed by president. The state council minister is headed by chief minister. Who can summon and prorogue the session of the state legislature? Answer, the governor. Who does not participate in the appointment of the high court judge, chief justice of the high court? The age of retirement of the judges of the high court is 62. A is the correct answer. Filling the blanks. Dash states are there in India at present 29. The tenure of the governor is normally dash years, 5 years. The district judges are appointed by the governor. The governor is the constitutional head of the state. Minimum age for election as MLA dash years, 25 years. Match the following. Governor, real head. Chief Minister, nominal head. Legislative Assembly, lower house. Legislative Council, upper house. Say true or false. Chief Minister is the chief administrator of the state. True. The governor nominates 2 members of the Anglo-Indian community to Legislative Assembly. False. The number of judges in the High Court is not uniform and fixed. True. Answer the following questions. Name the 2 houses of state legislature. In India, the state legislature consists of the governor and 1 or 2 houses. The upper house is called the Legislative Council, while the lower house is called the Legislative Assembly. Write the qualification of the members of the Legislative Assembly. A person has to be at least 25 years old. One person can stand for election in more than one constituency at the same time. Third question, how is the chief minister appointed? The governor appoints the leader of the majority party in the state legislative assembly as the chief minister. He is the head of the state council of ministers. Fourth question, how is the council of ministers formed? The leader of the majority party in the election is chosen as chief minister. The chief minister chooses his ministers from the MLAs of his party. Answer the following in detail. Discuss the powers and functions of the chief minister. The chief minister is the chief administrator of the state. All major decisions of the state government are taken under his leadership. The chief minister plays an important role In the formation of the Council of Ministers, on the advice of the Chief Minister, the Governor appoints the other minister. He also coordinates the activities of different ministries. The Chief Minister plays an important role in making policies of the state government. Give reason. Second question. Igneous rocks are found in the region of volcanoes. The igneous rocks are formed by the solidification of molten magma. These rocks are also called as the primary rocks or parent rocks, as all other rocks are formed from the rocks. Give reason. Second question. Distinguish the following: soil conservation and soil erosion. Soil erosion is the removal or destruction of the top layer of soil by natural forces and human activities. Soil conservation is the process of protecting the soil from erosion to maintain its fertility. Give short answer. How are igneous rocks formed? The same. Give reason படிச்சோம் அதே same answer. Second, describe about the composition of soil. The basic components of soil are mineral, organic matter, water and air. It consists of about 45% mineral, 5% organic matter, 25% of water and 25% air. Third question, define rock. The rocks are the solid mineral materials forming a part of the surface of the earth and other similar planets. State the types of soils. Soils are classified on the basis of their formation, color, physical and chemical properties. Based on this, soil is classified into 6 major types. They are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, desert soil. What is soil conservation? Distinguish between soil conservation படிச்சிங்களே அதே same answer. Explain the detailed question. Explain the process of soil formation. டீட்டெயில் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு வந்து நான் ஃபோட்டோ காப்பி எடுத்து அனுப்புகிறேன். இப்போ ஹிஸ்ட்ரி ஃபஸ்ட் லெசன் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர். கிவ் ஏ ஷார்ட் நோட் ஆன் ஆர்ச்சீவ்ஸ். Archives are the place where historical documents are preserved. The National Archives of India is located in New Delhi. Write about the importance of coins. Coins are a good source to know about administrative history. The first coinage in modern India under the crown was issued in 1862. Third question answer. Why Prince Henry is called Henry the Navigator? Prince Henry of Portugal, who is commonly known as the Navigator, encouraged his countrymen to take up the adventurous life of exploring the unknown region of the world. Name the important factories established by the Dutch in India. Fourth question. The important factories in India were Pulicat, Surat, Sinsura, Kasim Bazar, Patna, Nagapatnam, Balasore and Cochin. Fifth question. Mention the trading centers of the English in India. English had established the trading center at Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad and Broch. தேங்க்யூ சில்ட்ரன். டீட்டெயில் வந்து நான் ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து அனுப்புகிறேன். நல்லா படித்து எக்ஸாம் நல்லா எழுதுங்க. மேப் வந்து மார்க் பண்ணி ஒரு 8 பிளேசஸ் அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன். அதில் 5 கொடுப்பேன். நீங்கள் ஒரு மேப் எடுத்து அதை மார்க் பண்ணி வச்சு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எக்ஸாமுக்கும் கரெக்டாக செய்யுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.